Hey Bill, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to shoot you a quick video of this 2011 Toyota Highlander. It is a limited edition, but I know you were in search of a roughly $15,000 SUV third row. I think this is a candidate for you here. I'll show you the inside of the vehicle. It is keyless entry, push button start. It's very nice, very clean, black interior, has the upgraded JBL sound system, leather seats. It also has a power driver seat as well, power lumbar support. So here, I'll just show you the inside of it. There's a backup camera display there. Like I said, it is push button start, so there's your push button. And I'll show you the back. So here are the seats. They are captain's chairs with a little center arrangement there, and then your third row back there. So give me a call if you want to take a look at it. I'd be happy to help you in showing you what I've got here. I also have another vehicle I just took in yesterday that's a third row SUV as well. Give me a call, okay? I'd be happy to set a time aside for us to meet up and show you what I have in inventory. 321-254-8888, and my extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to helping you with your car purchase.